Hello everybody, welcome to new episode. I am going to prepare a very creative recipe of tiger prawns. Tiger prawns are supposed to be a fresh one. You should take always fresh prawns. Tiger prawns, these prawns are found in kazans or salt pans which are cultivated especially for those areas, and sometimes you get it in the rivulets also, in the poi we call, and sometimes it falls on the manos, you call it sluice gates. When I was young, I used to go for fishing and I used to buy it lot of tiger prawns or white prawns to my fishing nets, and I used to go every Sunday and bring it prawns to my house, and we used to prepare different dishes of out of it. Today I am going to show you a prawns temperade. Actually the prawns should be very fresh. To tell you frankly about the prawns or any seafood of Goa, a real Goan would prefer to buy fish, any seafood. It may be cost more than the other prawns, but it should be very fresh. People are prefer to buy it more fresh one then rather than to buy less price for the ice prawns or frozen prawns. So tiger prawns are very costly, to tell you frankly. You can say it is a rich man's food and people can only buy it, person can afford to buy it. Otherwise everybody goes for the small prawns or white prawns, and these are also tastiest prawns. So now we are going to prepare these prawns called Kamaran temperades. Temperades means a spicy prawns which we prepares a different spice condiments goes in that. These are the condiments which goes to it. Now I will clean these prawns. How to clean these prawns? Deshell it first. Clean it and cut the head of it. After deshelling, you have to devein it. You have to remove the intestine and throw out of it at the back of it, prawns, and wash it well. I have taken the prawns, say about 10 prawns. I will put that 1 tablespoon of salt, rock salt. I will marinate it first with the lemon juice, say about 2 lemon, and just squeeze it. Now what I will do it, I will just chop 1 onion, and put the chopped onions in the prawns. And just add little half teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. After that you just add chop 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, then 1 tablespoon of curry leaves chop. Now what you do, you just mix it. I will take 1 spoon of coriander, tablespoon big, tablespoon 2 namas you can take it, 4 to 5 red chilies dry, 4 to 5 namas cloves, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 2-3 pieces of green cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and say about 5 to 6 peppercorns. All these I will take it and put in a mixer. This is all the, I will put in the mixer, grinder. First you have to roast it, then you put in the mixer in the grinder and grind it. You have to grind it till it become powder like this. Once it become powder, just take 2 tablespoons of powder and add to the prawns and mix it well. By the time you keep the frying pan on fire with little olive oil, I'll take the marinated prawns and fry it. Let it get fried for some time. Now you add all the prawns to it and add all the ingredients, marinated ingredients in it. And let it get fried for some time. I think I need little oil. Add oil little, olive oil on top. Now you just add the fresh coconut milk to it, very thick. Say about half teacup. And let it get cooked for some time. Prawns are almost ready. I'll just add 1 spoon of tamarind pulp to it. Just finish with little coriander on top and just mix it up. Prawns are ready. Now what I am going to do it, I'll serve these prawns in this platter. I made a small accompaniment for the prawns. This is called cabbage fugad. I just shredded the cabbage with onions and green chili and sauteed it with little turmeric powder and finish with the salt and grated coconut. That's all. Now what I'll do it, I'll take this cabbage in the mold and I'll just put in my dish. I'll take the prawns and just put the prawns in the serving dish. I'll take the remaining prawns and put on the side. Take the shell of the prawns. Put on the side. I'll take the lemon wedge. Now I'll finish with the coriander on top and little bit of coconut thick milk on top. Prawns are ready. Thank you very much for watching and do it at home and let me get the comments how it is.